Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced, and this is the DevRel and Dev Advocacy podcast. Been a while since I've done an episode, but mainly I want just to kind of touch base about one thing in particular, that is Bluesky and Mastodon. Basically, these are becoming better and better places for doing like DevRel and Dev Advocacy work. I know, literally in the last week or so, there's been a huge movement to sort of data influencers and data people over to Bluesky specifically, and that is pretty cool. Now the thing is that I recommend setting up for both, getting a Mastodon account, getting a Bluesky account. Now there's actually an easy way to federate between the two, so that way you don't have to post to both. It just kind of becomes available in both. And this, let me see if I can just find the name of this service here. Here we go, Bridgie. Okay, and that is at basically the website for this is fed.brd.gy, so fed.bridgie. And this is a really cool service that someone built. It's open source. And basically what it does is that it mirrors your account on the opposite network. So if you have a Mastodon account already and you don't want to build a Bluesky account, you can have your Mastodon account become mirrored over there on Bluesky, and you can still interact with comments and things like that. Like, it'll just kind of handle the two-way communication for you, and then vice versa on the other way around. So that's a tool you can use to make having a presence on both platforms much easier. As well as using tools like Buffer and whatnot that do have the ability to post to these platforms. Which is generally, I use Buffer to post to Mastodon, Threads, LinkedIn, and Twitter generally simultaneously, and then I'll separately post onto Bluesky. But yeah, no, I think, and then the cool thing about Bluesky is that it has this feature called starter packs. So you can really easily help people kind of get onboarded by creating your starter pack of the people you think others should follow in your particular space. Well, if it's not data, which is the space that I'm in, you can create your starter pack and then kind of encourage others to join and follow your starter pack, so that way they can get that, tap into that community right away without, kind of like a list on Twitter. A little bit easier because you follow the people. You're not like following the list. You follow you click the starter pack and it auto follows you to all the people in the list, which I think is a better implementation. Although I guess it probably doesn't let you unfollow all the people on the list, so it'd be kind of harder to undo. But it's a thing. I think it's a thing that if you're in the DevRel advocacy space, it's something you should be looking at. I have a lot more to say about other topics as well, so I'll probably be recording more episodes. I always like to record these as my experience broadens and the techniques that I use broaden, to bring those to you. But this is a thing that I have top of mind right now and wanted to kind of bring over to you. So have a great day and enjoy.